Hey there everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products using Rakuten for your Amazon FBA business. So if you guys are liking my video so far, can you please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way more people can see my videos and get value from them, right? So with that being said, on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products from Rakuten. If you guys don't know what Rakuten is a cashback website that people use when they source, right? So, what's a cashback website? Um, so it's basically a website where it gives you an extra cashback when you shop on a certain website, right? So, for example, you go to Macy's, and then let's say you bought some products from Macy's, right? So you're going to be getting an extra 4% cashback on your purchases. So so for example, you bought some boots from Macy's for your business or for personal use, and you're getting a 4% cash back from Macy's or from Rakuten. You would be getting an extra $4 back, right, from your purchase. And this is huge when you're an Amazon seller because every percentage counts, right? Because we're dealing with a lot of fees with Amazon. We're dealing with a lot of cost. We have virtual assistants, we have software. So every little percentage that we can get back, it really helps our business. So like one way to source from um, this website, right, is to start with the highest cashback possible. So I would start with, let's see, let's start with Sam's Club, for example, right? Because on Rakuten, Sam's Club is giving 10% cashback. So I would start with Sam's Club. And then what you do is you do a reverse search, right? So I would look for a product from samslub.com because it's going to give me a 10% off, right, with cashback. So I would now look for a product from this website. It's not loading. So for example, this one, I'll just pick some random ones. And then I'll open up amazon.com. So the way to do reverse search, right, from Rakuten is you start with Rakuten, and then you pick a website that you like, or you start with a website with the highest percentage, right there, and then so Rakuten to Sam's Club, and then from Sam's Club you pick a product, right, and then once you pick the product, you do a reverse search. So you click on the title of this product, and then you do a reverse search on Amazon.com. So you search this product, and then from here you look for the exact same product. So I think this one is this one, I think, right? And then once you find it, you would compare the the two products, and then you run the numbers, right? So this one is a good pop bubbly juice mini cans, right? Packs. What's that one? 1 ounce, 15 pack. Okay, looks the same. It seems like the same product, right? And then from here you run the numbers. So this one is 12.48 plus shipping. So 12.48 plus 4.93. Or are they offering any free shipping? I'm not sure. 12.48 plus 4.93. Wait, sorry, 12.48 plus 4.93 is about 17.41. So 17.41, right? Yeah, this one's not really a great product because it's only selling 5 times a month. So it's not really a good product, but I'm just showing this as an example because I'm trying to source from Sam's Club, right? So again, you start with Rakuten, and then you click a store that you like, or a store with a high percentage of cashback. So Sam's Club, for example, you click on Sam's Club, and from here you pick a product, and then once you pick the product, you look for that same product on Amazon. You do a reverse search, and then there you go, right? So that's how you do it. I'll do another example. Let's see what's a popular one. So Lego is a popular one. So I would start with Lego. I'm doing Lego because I know I like Lego as a brand, and then they're also giving 10% cash back, right? So start with Lego, and then I would pick a random product. So for example, this one. So you see right there, up to 10% cash back activated. And then once you find this, I would do a reverse search. So I would type in space astronaut Lego onto Amazon. Oh, computer is lagging right now. Yeah, sorry guys, kind of lagging. So space astronaut Lego, and then from here you look for the product, which I think is that one. Yeah, it's this one, right? Yeah, it's this one. The problem though is that it doesn't match as far as the price, right? It's the same price on Amazon and Lego. But again, I'm just doing this for just example purposes. So again, you start with Rakuten, and then you go pick a store that you like, or a store that gives you a big cashback like this one. And then you click it, you go to the website, you pick a product, and then once you pick the product, you do a reverse search on Amazon, and then you look for the exact same product on Amazon. You run the numbers, and if the numbers make sense, you buy the product, and then you send it to Amazon so they can sell it, right? So very simple stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, I hope you guys got value from the video. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way more people can get value just like you. And with that being said, thanks guys for being here tonight. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.